getting ready to go out on the kayaks. Right, Gabby? We're gonna go for a ride on the kayaks with Ed. It's 72 degrees and sunny. Beautiful. Nice. Here you can see the 2 kayaks we're gonna use with Gabby and Ed. There you can see Ed putting them back together. Putting on the paddles and everything that we need. Gabby and I will go in the larger one, and Ed is gonna go in the smaller one. We're gonna go right over there, over those plants. I don't know what they are. So we're finally paddling out. Wow, there's a fairly strong current, so no? This is nice, isn't it?
Sandbar.
Sandbar.
It's a huge aquarium. You look in the water here, you'll see all kinds of things.
It's really cool. Beautiful. I'm letting the current take us. Yeah.
They have to dry off when they get out of the water.
Look at all the cormorants. We're gonna make a hard right. We're going that way.
So you're going to see across the little lagoon there, there's a dead tree. You see the big dead tree right across from you?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
You can see the dead tree.
Right in that tree, if you look carefully. Usually they'll fly away to get closer. If there's been people around lately, they'll fly away. So that's good.
Wow, this is so cool.
See the ibises in front of you?
The ibises are the white ones?
Yes, with curved beaks those ones have. Long, skinny, curved beaks.
Right.
And they use them to poke around during the shallow tide, which is right now, in the muck. So you'll see them, they're poking their little noses in the muck.
Right.
And they can feel with their beaks little things crawling around to eat.
That's super cool. There's an osprey.
That's an osprey right here.
Yeah,
That's an osprey.
that's an osprey. Yeah, we've seen the ospreys with actually with fish in their hands, or their claws, flying around with them.
That's
A great.
blue heron. It's not outside, but that's a good blue heron right there.
Wow.
Fishing.
You can see that's Key Biscayne over there. Downtown Miami's back there. Oh, it's beautiful. The light is beautiful with the clouds. Really nice afternoon. Yeah.
They're sitting down.
You need to paddle.
I am paddling.
Good.
Disturb the wildlife.
Yeah, it's super shallow here. You can see how shallow it is. You can see downtown Miami right there. So once it gets deeper, I can start paddling. It's not deep enough. So we came out here. There's a, what is this, like a sandbar? No, it's more like it's really shallow here. We're gonna look for little critters. The water's nice, it's not that cold.
Yeah.
Let's see, what did you find, Ed?
You know what this is?
Oh, that's yeah. That's a super
Horseshoe
prehistoric
Yeah, it's horseshoe crab. They're called.
That's awesome, that's little. Is it alive?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
I'll show you how to find them if you want to see.
That's super
So, yeah, these things, as you were just saying, they are essentially
Prehistoric.
they are cousins of trilobites. Yeah. This is what trilobites were like.
Up. There you go.
There's 2 scientific things of interest of these guys. The first is their eyes. They have such big cells in their eyes that they did a lot of eye research and nerve research on them.
Right.
And the second thing is that their blood, or whatever you call the liquid that circulates through them, it gets used for a lot of medical research, including a lot of cancer drugs.
Oh wow.
Anyway, you see these little trails here?
Yeah.
That's these guys. So if you look at those trails enough, you'll find them at the heads of the trails, and they usually bury themselves halfway. You'll watch, he'll flip himself over and then he'll bury himself.
Come on, little guy, turn
Did
around.
he flip yet?
Nope.
Just chilling.
There you go. Turn around. He's trying. Oh, there you go. That's cool.
Now he'll bury himself because he's scared.
So that's pretty hard to
That's
find.
really cool. Horseshoe crabs. Oh, there's a metal bench here. Somebody dropped it here. And there's supposed to be little fishes here. Let's see if we can see any fish. I didn't see any fish at the bench. So now Gabby's in the front and I'm in the back. You wanna go where Ed is?
Oh, guys, do I?
Yeah, let's go. I'm turning. What? That we're doing great. We're doing great speed.
We're doing great, huh?
Yeah, go. We're doing great. Great speed. Full speed ahead. Oh my God, we're getting wet. Yeah, you can if you turn around, you can see the rainbow. And it looks like it's raining over there in Miami.
Like hawks and eagles and so forth, they all hunt with what, super good eyesight.
Yep.
Buzzards, they hunt with their sense of smell.
Yeah, I can see that.
They have like a super ability to smell dead, decomposing bodies.
Gabby, let's chase the rainbow. That's a cool rainbow. Come on, Ed. Come on. Wow, there's a rainbow. It looks like it's raining in downtown. And we're getting closer to being back at the house. We keep paddling to Ed's house. Hopefully we'll get there soon. The wind is picking up. Gabby's paddling. Go, Gabby! Go, Gabby! Woo. We're finally getting close, Gabby, huh?
We are close. We're here.
We are close. We can see the house right there. That one is Ed's house. Woo! Here we come. Hard right.
We're going fast. We're going fast here.
I'm completely.
Turn.
I completely turned the boat. It's gonna turn. It's gonna turn.
Yeah,
It's turning.
here.
It's turning. It's turning. Okay, continue.
Where's the navigator?
Come on. Come on, do it. No! What was that, Gabby?
Gabby.
What was that, Gabby?
Steered us straight in.
No, you made us crash. We crashed. It's all your fault. Okay, now we're gonna. Yeah. Let's grab onto this. Woo! We made it.
Okay,
Yeah, that was awesome.
go ahead, you guys can get out. You can grab onto that rope, it helps.
Not the horse! Oh no! Oh no! Almost lost the oar. Have fun, Gabby. That was fun, huh? Look at the, what is that, a buzzard? Oh man, this was extremely cool. So much fun. Such a beautiful day. Right, Gabby?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was cool. It was great. It was cool, Ed. Thanks.
Absolutely. That rainbow was kind of cool.
Yeah, we should definitely do it again.